honorable officials from the provincial government of Batanes, our esteemed partners from the 6 municipalities, representatives from national agencies, civil society organizations, and fellow advocates of resilience. Good morning. It is with great pleasure that I welcome you all to the launch of this important initiative. Today, we embark on a journey that underscores the strength of collaboration, bridging the wisdom of local communities with the expertise of the academic and scientific sectors. Batanes, known for its cultural heritage and resilient spirit, has long faced the realities of climate change and disaster risks. While traditional knowledge has allowed the people of Batanes to adapt over generations, we recognize that the challenges brought by a rapidly changing climate require innovative, data-driven solutions that work alongside these time-tested practices. This project, bridging academic researchers and vulnerable island communities in the Philippines, is more than just a research endeavor. It is a commitment to co-developing practical, inclusive, and science-based strategies that will enhance local capacities for climate and disaster risk management. By integrating participatory hazards assessment, risk-informed planning, and knowledge sharing, we hope to create a foundation for sustainable development that is both locally led and scientifically grounded. One of the key strengths of this initiative is its inclusivity. We will ensure that every voice, whether from government, academe, or local communities, is heard and valued. Resilience is not built in isolation. It thrives in an environment where expertise is shared, policies are informed by real experiences, and communities are empowered to take action. As we formally launch this project, I encourage all of you to take an active role in the discussions, workshops, and engagements ahead. Let this be a space where knowledge flows both ways, where science serves the people, and where local insights enrich academic perspectives. On behalf of the University of the Philippines Resilience Institute, we thank you for your participation, your commitment, and your dedication to making Batanes a model of climate and disaster resilience. Together, let's pave the way for a future that is safer, more adaptive, and deeply rooted in collaboration. Thank you, and we look forward to working with all of you.